Hey guys, welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we're going to be taking a deeper look at our new AR Fender shrouds. We'll be installing these and checking them out to see how they go on, how they look, and we're going to be taking a look at our different color options. I have a flat black, we have a gloss red, and the gloss acid green as well. So I'm going to show you all the color options and then we're going to install one of these so you can see what it looks like. When you get your box, go ahead and you can pull your shrouds out, and then after that there's only one more thing you're going to need out of the box, and you might have to hunt for it, but it's going to be this little Noble emblem. Then we're going to get our shrouds. We're just going to tear all this open. Just lots of bubble wrap to protect these for you. But then they're going to be each individually wrapped. Go ahead and pull this plastic sleeve off. And there is our new shroud. Here's a close-up so you can kind of see the finish on this. This is like a nice gunmetal, flat black, very clean looking. It's also going to be available in this bright gloss red. And last but certainly not least, we have your acid green variety. So this is going to match the acid green on your Brembos or anywhere else that you've chosen to put it on the car. So let's go ahead and install one of these. I do want to apologize in advance for not having the factory one in here to show you how to remove it, but basically you're going to have two of these little pop clips, very simple little pop clips that are going to be holding in your factory piece. There's going to be one right here and there's going to be one right there. You can just pop them right out with a flathead. Simple as that. So actually the best way I found to install these is to actually flip this upside down, put this down through, sort of wrap it around your support rod there for your hood, and then slowly turn it back, just like that. You're gonna see these two notches line up, and there's gonna be a lip that grabs onto the back of your fender, and then you're gonna put your pop clips back in place, and you'll be good to go. Also, don't mind, we have a little bit of wiring running through ours. You aren't gonna have that there. I have some LEDs back there that, you know, that's why that wire is there. But this is how it's going to basically look inside of your engine bay. It's a very nice aggressive look. Again, you are going to have your plastic clips right there, those two locations. So if you're looking to stand out a little bit more, you can always go with this red option. This looks very good in the gloss red. It stands out a lot if you're looking for that extra pop. Our last color option here for you is going to be the acid green that is going to wrap around that color from the Brembo brakes on the factory 18 and up STI and bring that color into your engine bay for that extra pop. This is really going to draw some attention to the engine bay, so if that's what you're looking for, this is definitely going to do the trick. So the last thing we have for you is our Noble badge. There's a few good places to put it. Maybe there on the front, right here on the middle, right here on the back, or you could even install it on the front face of this. And all you're going to do is there's some tape on the back. We're going to peel this. If you don't want to install this on the shrouds themselves, being that you only have one, you could always save this and put it on something else. But we can go ahead and we can take this, and I like the location right here in the front on the inside, so we're going to stick that in like that, and we're good to go. Peel the protective cover off of it, and we're all set. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's install, so hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you're looking to buy a set of these, you can check the link in the description. We are going to be selling those there. And so you got three options to pick from, which is, you know, nice. You can go for that subtle look or the extra pop of the colors. Either way you go, it's going to look great. It's going to bring some aggression to your engine bay and draw a little bit extra attention for your car. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.